Hey Team Numis Canada, that's what I call my subscribers. Hello coin collectors young and old, and anyone else that might be watching. Welcome to Numis Canada with Bruce. We're glad to have you here today, and again, we have another mail call, but this time it is from eBay, and this one is from Silvertowne Mint on the bottom. So we'll get into these right after this. Welcome back. We'll start with the one on the bottom. And this is in a well packaged. It's like a courier package that has been folded over and over and over. Here we go. It's wrapped around by the obligatory paperwork, and I think that's all that's in here. So we'll get rid of that. And this is obligatory paperwork. And here we go. And we have 2 coins, I think. And they have some advertising in here. 2021 Christmas collection. It's a little late for Christmas, I suppose. If you want to check out Silvertowne's lineup, by all means visit silvertowne.com, I believe. And they're a great resource for me. And in here I have a NGC first day of issue 2021 Silver Eagle Type 2. And this is an MS-70. And there's that one. And this one is First Strike from Tuvalu. And this is MS-70 50th anniversary of Star Trek. Now what I need is the Type 1. Eagle, and it looks like it's toning. Do you see that color on the coin here? It's a reddish color. I wonder if this has been tampered with, because that label's not in properly. But Silvertowne is pretty reliable and pretty good, so I am not going to. I'll put these over here. And next into the eBay package. Finally, an empty box. Get rid of all this garbage. And we open this. And this is another coin that I wasn't able to get from the mint. I had to go and buy off the secondary market because the mint sold them the Masters Club's members in the higher level again. And this time I was a silver member, but I purchased enough coins from the mint to become a gold member. If I was able to buy these, I would be a much higher level. But the mint refuses to limit the number of coins that Masters Club members are allowed to buy, so these coins never get available to the public. Frustrating. And this is a 2021 $20 fine silver coin, black and gold, Grey Wolf 9999 pure silver with gold plating. And here we go. And this one has 4500 mintage with a 1125 for this particular coin. And I will let you read about the coin here. And the French. And the certificate of authenticity. Now to the coin. You may recall some time ago they issued one with a horse. And I have the horse. I actually gave the horse to my sister. I purchased a second one for myself. But this is the wolf. In black rhodium and gold plate. And even the other side of the coin. These are very special coins, so of course they're going to sell out. But we should all have access to them. They should sell out one coin at a time. There's no reason any collector needs more than one. The first one I was able to get two of because it was the first one and it hadn't caught on yet. That is a beautiful coin. And now for the final package. Of course, that's empty. And it's well wrapped. This is the United States silver proof set for 2009. And from the mint set, this is the one that I was missing for these years. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4. And we start with the 4 pennies. These are my favorite pennies. And of course there's Lincoln. And these are Zinken pennies. And here is the dime. The Roosevelt dime, the Jefferson nickel, the Sacagawea dollar, and the Kennedy half dollar. Let me turn it off. And oh, this is a lovely, this whole mint set is outstanding because there is planting a tree in the First Nations dollar. And these are just gorgeous. And here are the state quarters for Northern Mariana Islands, the District of Columbia, Puerto Rico, Guam, American Samoa, and U.S. Virgin Islands. There is Washington. And here are the presidential dollars. So we have William Henry Harrison, John Tyler, Zachary Taylor, and James Polk. Wow. And here are the specs. For each of the various coins in the set. How cool is that? I am very happy with all of these. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. And we hope you've enjoyed this wonderful mail call. I know that I have enjoyed it. Take care. Bye for now. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and keep on collecting.